Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you guys about the world's smallest micro voice recorder. Now, if you're looking for the absolute smallest recorder on the market that doesn't compromise on features, then look no further. Packed inside of this durable little case is an audio recorder capable of recording even quiet noises at impressive distances. Now, I've seen it record up to 30 feet before personally in my test. This tiny recorder is extremely easy to use as well, and there isn't any beeping or vibrating to give you away either. Now, next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop a recording and actually give you a demonstration of how this little audio recorder performs. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration of the world's smallest audio recorder. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you guys today here in our storefront, and in order to do these tests, we have to actually turn the unit on and start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. Luckily this unit is extremely easy and all you have is an on-off switch. So to start a recording, all you do is you take this little switch here and you move it from the off position to the on position, and you'll see a little red light come on down here. Once that red light goes away, that indicates to you that you've started the recording. Just like that. Okay, so now all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the device itself. Now, to give you a little bit of a scope and scale of our store here, it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. The first test we're going to do for you today is a conversation test, and for that test, I'm going to take the world's smallest audio recorder and put it in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This is done at a normal speaking volume.
Excellent. And for our next test, we're going to do a distance test. Before that, let's put the world's smallest audio recorder on a shelf. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And lastly, and finally, this is the world's smallest audio recorder at 30 feet. When it's time to recharge the battery or listen to any of the recordings, simply plug the world's smallest into your computer with the provided cable. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.